Look at me. They're gonna paint the decking. It's all been cleaned nicely, and then I've got to sort out all my plants. It's a lorry. So, yeah. Bluebells are looking fabulous. I'd like to have all like ferns growing down there and hostas and stuff, so I'm going to try and do that. It's my little greenhouse in the corner with my tomatoes, and then all the pots that were on the decking, I'm going to sort them out. And look at my lovely fern there, it's growing. Beautiful. Cyril's sniffling around. Anyway, this is what we're doing today. Get in there with the decking. It's gonna look nice. It's all done. Well, except for that bit, I've got to do that later because I've got to scrape off some, what do you call it, ivy bits. But it's done. Just gotta wait for it to dry and then do a second coat. That's the stuff. We went out for a drink to celebrate VE Day and remembered my dad, and I just wanted to show you my beautiful Wolf All Saints t-shirt. I love it. I always put the video camera on when I turn the kettle on. Just having a coffee. I need it this morning. We didn't drink all that last night, but quite a bit of it. Yeah. So, now wash glasses. Oh, we went out down the pub and went out for a curry. Then we came back and I think we had 2 large ones, I'd say. Yeah, that's gone now. I think we bought that at the beginning of the month. How bad is that? Anyway, it was very nice. I just show you my on another note, this. It smells wonderful. It's just nostalgic smell of imperial leather, and we have to have it now because I was going to show you my plants on my kitchen sink. This one, I grew these from leaves. They're worth 3 from like my children. This big one is my eldest daughter. It's my middle daughter, but my son died. Not literally. This is that, but it's growing again. There we go. Which was sad. I was really upset when that went. Are they money trees? Something, tree of life? I've got no idea what this is, but it just absolutely loves it, and I just put it. It loves it here, and it's just growing mad. I'm not sure if it's Semfire. Oh, I don't know what it is. Does anyone know what it is? It's got lots of new shoots on it, but I've put it in. It's growing in this little tin I've got. It's just, let me just pull it away from here. I'll show you. It's got like things in it. Yeah, this is like done really well. It was tiny when I first got it. It's just like growing in it's a succulent plant. So I do quite well with like succulents and things because they don't need much water. So it's that, that's Century Life, and then that one. Then there's this one which I've had for ages, and it keeps dying, and then it comes back and has leaves, and then they die. Look, but it has got a new sorry, the sink's making a noise. It's got a new leaf coming there, if you can see it. This one, but it just keeps dying, and I'm not sure why. And then this is a fern. It's growing. But I've moved it in here because I didn't think it liked it where it was. I think it was too hot where it was, because it was in the south facing window, and now I've moved it in the kitchen. I've just hung it there for now, so it just drops stuff. And I'm sad about that. Why it's doing that, I don't know. And then that's just an odd yucca plant up there. But I love this pot it's in. Look, I think it's a silver pot. Don't know. Yeah. So yeah, that's my kitchen plants. And this I got from the charity shop. It's cool. There's Portuguese chicken. And this is from the charity shop as well. It's a sad onion pot. But it's got, I was going to sell it on, but it's got like a hairline crack down it. But so I'm keeping it. It's living there, looking sad. Yeah, so yeah, that's that. And then this afternoon we had a lovely walk to Cyril's favourite place. Come on, Cyril. Taking a long time. Needs to sniff a lot. Oh, sniffy, sniffy. I'm sniffing too. Come on, Cyril. Come on. I think he wants to walk. Cyril's eating some salad. So. the wild garlic. Finished the painting the decking and quite pleased with how it looked. It makes it look so much nicer, and it's the perfect place to sit and watch the sunset. Thank you for joining me. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please think about doing so, and I will see you soon. Bye.